Hello everyone. So if you want to set a password on the albums application in your Vivo X80 Pro, you're to open up your settings. Here they are. Now scroll down to your security tab, and in your security tab, you're to find your privacy and app encryption. Alright, tap here. Now we need to enter our privacy password. So let's set it. It has to be at least 8 characters long. And right now we need to set up an additional questions. So I'll just say me, press done. And now you are to encrypt the app, right? So here in this menu you can disable privacy password, change privacy password, and add encryption and add hiding. So now we are going just to encrypt an application, so press add encryption and choose an application which you want to encrypt, for example our albums. Go back, let's check it out. So it was encrypted. Now let's try how it works. Press on your albums, and as we see, we need to enter our password. Alright, you can also enable your face recognition if you have one, right? I do have one, so press enable and enter your current PIN, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.